Welcome to Dr. KUSH Tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about the structure of hemoglobin and hemoglobin reference ranges. To start with, hemoglobin is the main part of the mature red blood cells. It can be abbreviated as HB or HGB. The SI unit for reporting hemoglobin is grams per DL. It can also be reported as grams per liter or grams percentage. A mature red blood cells has about 250 million hemoglobin molecules, but this value is not static. It can range between 200 and 300 million in numbers. The basic function of hemoglobin is to transport oxygen and is also partly involved in the transportation of CO2. To date, there are about 200 different types of hemoglobin molecules that have been discovered. Majority of hemoglobin, they are housed inside the red blood cells. And inside the red blood cells, these hemoglobins are found attached to the RBC cell membrane, exposing the heme part to the blood plasma. This is strategic in the sense that it facilitates the absorption of oxygen from the lung tissue, and also it facilitates the delivery of oxygen to the tissues. Some of the hemoglobins are found outside the red blood cells and are found in various organs such as liver cells, lungs. Others are also found in kidney cells, where their main function is they act as antioxidants. Others act as regulators for iron metabolism. A mature hemoglobin has a molecular weight of about 64,400 daltons, and 1 gram of hemoglobin has an oxygen carrying capacity of about 1.39 ml of oxygen. The concentration of this hemoglobin inside a mature red blood cell is about 330 grams per liter. The oxygen carrying capacity of blood is directly proportional to the hematocrit level. On the structure of hemoglobin, hemoglobin is made up of two parts. One part is known as heme, and this is non-protein in nature. We can also refer to heme part as prosthetic group. The other main part is globin, which is protein in nature. We can also refer to it as polypeptide chain. It's important I mention that a mature hemoglobin will have 4 parts of heme and 4 parts of globin. A mature RBC will have heme, and this heme is made up of 2 parts. One of the parts is a porphyrin ring, and inside the porphyrin ring there is iron, and this iron exists in the ferrous state. Now, a complete hemoglobin will bind to 4 oxygen molecules. Why do I say this? A complete oxygen will have 4 parts of heme, and each part of heme has iron, and it is this iron that will bind to oxygen. This is the structure of hemoglobin. In this structure, I've presented 2 pairs of globin chain. One pair is alpha, the other pair is beta. And it's important I mention that is the variation of the globin chain that will give rise to the different types of hemoglobin. In this structure, 2 alpha chains and 2 beta chains will give rise to HBA. And inside each globin chain, there is a heme part, and heme part is composed of a porphyrin and iron. And again, I said iron exists in ferrous state. A complete hemoglobin will have 2 pairs of globin chain, and in each globin chain, there should be a heme part. I will recommend you subscribe to this channel. I have a tutorial on the different types of hemoglobin structure. On hemoglobin reference ranges, there are several factors that can affect hemoglobin reference ranges, and they can be broadly categorized into physiological factors or even pathological factors. In this tutorial, I've limited my tutorial on physiological factors, and I've just listed 3 factors that are likely to affect the hemoglobin reference ranges. One is age, the other factor is sex, there is also altitude where a person lives. You can also find in other literature there is an aspect of race and ethnicity. A healthy person has about 14.8 grams per dl. We measure the amount of hemoglobin by estimating the amount of hemoglobin housed inside RBC in 100 ml of whole blood. Again, please subscribe to Dr. KUSH tutorial. I have a tutorial on the different types of hemoglobin, including heme synthesis and globin synthesis. The normal hemoglobin reference ranges among children at birth, the reference range is about 13.5 to 19.5 grams per dl. Children aged between 2 to 5 years, the HB range is about 11 to 14 grams per dl. Children 6 to 12 years, HB is about 11.5 to 15.5 grams per dl. Adult men above the age of 15 years, it's about 13 to 18 grams per dl. And adult female above the age of 15 years is about 12 to 16 grams per dl. And lastly, pregnant women, the HB range is between 11 to 13.8 grams per dl. This marks the end of my tutorial. If you have found it educative, please subscribe to this channel, like it, and share with your friends. Thank you.